Getting paid to learn about cryptocurrencies has been one of the new trends that have been uprising right now, starting with platforms like Coinbase.com, which is a popular exchange for cryptocurrencies. It has been doing this for quite some time, whereby it gives the opportunity for it to its new clients to actually learn about different cryptocurrencies and then earn a bit of those cryptocurrencies so that they can actually like spend it on the platform, on different platforms or whatever use that cryptocurrency is made for, right? So the only problem with Coinbase is that it is not available to everybody worldwide, right? For example, myself being in South Africa, I cannot actually be able to qualify to be able to earn those cryptocurrencies. So in this video, I'm actually going to be giving you a new platform which is worldwide, right? So basically anyone anywhere can be able to just sign up with the link that I'm going to leave down below to be able to get started with this platform. You just click on the link, sign up with your email, verify your email, go through the process that I'm going to show you right here, right now, and it should take you less than 5 minutes to be honest with you, 5 to 10 minutes, and you can earn yourself some good amounts of cryptocurrencies that you'll be able to withdraw within this first quarter of this 2021, March 2021. So if you April 2021, so if you're watching within the first few days of this video being published, basically according to the roadmap, this token will be available for withdrawal within the first quarter of this year 2021, right? So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into this video. If it's your first time here on this channel, I really appreciate if you take a second to click on that red button down below and also hit that like, share button. I really appreciate that, and so does the YouTube algorithm. So anyways, in this video, as I said, we're going to be talking about a new platform that has been launched recently. It started in 2019, but then it's only now in January 2021 that they actually launched this platform. So basically, as you can see on my screen, this is the platform right here. It is called Earnathon. I think Earnathon is the correct way to pronounce it. I'm not really sure, but basically this is the platform over here, and I'm just gonna go through with you a different of these pages to show you what it is about and how you can actually make some good amount of money with this platform. For free, basically for free, just learning about cryptocurrencies and also inviting others to learn about cryptocurrencies. So first things first, I think it's important to just go through the roadmap first of all before anything else, before I show you how to earn on this platform. But basically it's sort of an airdrop type of platform whereby you learn about that cryptocurrency. As you can see on my dashboard here, I already been able to earn $20 on this platform. Of course, I cannot withdraw it right now. Why? Because as you can see on this platform, on their roadmap over here, the withdrawals have not been enabled yet. So why can't I withdraw my ENA tokens? Withdrawals are currently disabled until they list the ENA token on an exchange, right? And when would this happen? ENA will be listed on the listed Q1 2021. So Q1 just referring to the first 4 months of 2021, which is January, February, March, and April, right? So basically by the 1st of May, we should be able to have this token listed on these exchanges over here. So the CEX and the DEX exchanges, and then you can look at the roadmap to to keep up with the progress, right? So basically that's what we're going to do right now. So basically that is some good news over there. I mean, the best part about this platform is that you're just learning about this cryptocurrency, right? So and then you get rewarded for that. So basically you're not investing any monetary efforts into this platform, which is great news. You're only investing your time, right? And as I said, it'll take you less than 5 to 10 minutes to actually earn this amount of money that I have on my dashboard over here, which I earned just 3 days ago. As you can see on my transaction history over there for completing one of the exams that are available right now, right? So, and by exams, don't get scared. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's very simple, very simple, straightforward. Simple questions, right? Just answering a few questions on the quiz, right? So Q3 2019, this is when they started, and then Q1 to Q4 2020 development and testing, and then Q1, this is when they actually launched the platform, the web platform over there, and they added new courses, and then the exchange listing. I think this is what they're working on right now, because we just I mean, it's almost the end of March right now. Today is the 29th of March, and then the Q4 obviously ends on the 1st of May, because April is part of the Q4, right? So that's when you can expect this to be done, and then we'll be able to withdraw our tokens, which is a great thing, right? and then you can just come through and see, you know, what's going to happen later on with this platform as it continues, right? So they'll be just adding new courses thereafter, right? So yeah, you can come through and just read some of these things, what it is about and everything. You can, and then the dashboard is the most important part, which is why we're going to go back to right now. But then here about the token, you can also come and learn about it and all that good stuff. But one thing I found quite amazing about this platform is that they already have more than 300,000 users. So I mean, if 300,000 people are seeing the potential of this platform, then I think it's worth taking a look at, right? It's worth spending that few minutes to actually see what it is all about and everything, right? So basically over 300,000, over 100 countries. It's going crazy. This platform is going crazy, right? So as you see here, it was launched on the 1st of February 2021, and already in just a few months they're already at 300,000 users all over the world, right? So basically I think this is something that you might want to put your time into, and then just take a look at how you can also earn some bit of cash over there, right? So let's just go back to the dashboard and show you the whole process, right? So once you sign up, the link is down below. As I said, you click on it, you sign up, you get verified. Basically the verification is just simply clicking the email, a link in the email that they're going to send you straight after you sign up, right? So it's, you know, say quickly sign up, just click on the link down below, sign up, you get that link in your email, click on the link on that email to verify your account, and then get started earning, right? So once you're done setting up your account, all you have to do is just to come to this, you'll be on the home page, right? Even if you're on the Earnathon.com page over here, probably this is the page that they're gonna put you on once you start, and this is where the course is at, right? So this is the only course that you can actually take at the moment, but then there's still more courses that are coming soon on their platform. As you can see, all these coins, all these opportunities to earn more cryptocurrencies that are still being constructed, or they're busy with them. But basically with this one, you can actually do this right now and earn your $20, as you can see right here. So we're just going to click on start with the course. So I'm just going to show you a quick trick that you can use in case you know, just to make sure that you actually like nail this course and you don't lose your coins, right? So you just copy this link that is there once you're logged in. Just copy this link over here, and then Control-Shift-N to open a new incognito tab over there. And I'm just going to paste it over here, right? I'm just going to paste it. This is just a trick to show you how to make sure that you win this no matter what, right? So what I'm doing here is just to open this in a new tab, right? So that you can have the video to just go back and do a reference to it, just in case you forgot what they were talking about, right? So if you know, just to, it's like sort of guaranteeing that you actually pass this test and pass the quiz, and basically, you know, earn your free $20 worth of Earnathon coins. And as you can see, the lessons 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, so basically about 8 minutes over here, less than 10 minutes. As I said, is very quick, right? So what you're gonna do here is just to open this page, and remember, this is just on the incognito tab. We are not logged in over here, so basically here is just to keep the video on the background. But basically the questions are very, very simple, and I'm just going to go through with you over here. I'm not going to give you the answers, of course, but I'm just going to go through with you as I showed you that is a trick.
Money is the medium of
that is a trick that you can make use of, so that you just come back and check out the 2-minute video before answering your quiz question if you having trouble answering that, right? So basically I'm just coming back to where I'm logged in on my dashboard. I'm gonna click on earn that 5, and then I'm gonna watch the 2-minute video before I answer my quiz. But I already did answer my quizzes, so what I'm gonna do is just to take the quiz question over there. But of course I've already answered mine, so I can only do that once. So you only have one opportunity to do this. So that's why I'm saying it'll be a smart thing to open it in incognito tab or any other new tab where you're not logged in, just to have that video for reference, for quick reference, right? To make sure that you are putting in the right questions, the right answers to this, right? So anyways, for this first question over here, if I recall correctly, the answer should be the second option. So basically just understanding the evolution of money, right? So they will just ask you about barter trade. So they'll just be asking you about barter trade and other stuff. So it's just a simple question. It's just a simple question on this one. And then the next one, what is cryptocurrency? So they're going to ask you about what is cryptocurrency in the question as well. Lesson 3, what is blockchain? The question is also based on that one. And then the last one, what is Bitcoin? So Here, the answer is actually, be careful on this one. The answer is actually 2008, not 2009. So this one, I'm just going to give it away because I almost messed up on this one as well. So in 2008, that's when a newspaper article was actually launched about cryptocurrencies before the Bitcoin was created in 2009, right? So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I just want to give you an introduction, or I just wanted to show you this new platform that you can earn some free cryptocurrencies for watching short videos, you know, basically getting paid to, you know, to watch videos online. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you got any questions, you can always hit me up in the comments down below. You can also join our Telegram group with the link down below, and I'll be more than happy to attend to you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for all the videos so that you don't miss out on some next content, which is going to be fire. And yeah, I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.